Welcome to Tonia's Kitchen, where every flavor tells a story. So this is vegetable fried rice. Well cooked, very delicious. Let's dive into it. To my pot I have turkey well seasoned with seasoned cube and thyme, curry and other seasonings. Steam, allowed to cook very well. You can also cook it to medium. Then add to an air fryer container and air fry. You set the turkey stock aside, the meat stock aside. Then to a pot add oil. As it's hot, pour in your washed rice. Stir thoroughly. Stir to well combined. The process of frying this is to make the rice to remain one or single separately in the pot, not to gum together. Then add the meat stock. Add your parsley leaf, dried one, curry, thyme, salt, and seasoning powder with your turmeric. Then cover to cook. It's well cooked. As you can see, the rice is separate, is not gumming together because it was stir fried initially. To another pot, pour in your vegetable oil. Add a pinch of salt. And curry with turmeric. Then add onion. Then fry. Allow to cook for a while. Go in with the hard one, which is carrots first. Stir fry a bit. If you like it soft, you can cook it more. Add your bell pepper, red, green, and yellow bell peppers. Stir. Add your green beans. Add seasoning powder. Add salt, thyme, parsley leaf, turmeric powder, and curry. Then stir. Don't overcook it so that it will be fresh. Pour into the rice, the already cooked rice. Pour in your diced liver and your sweet corn and stir. Stir very well till well mixed. It's very wow, so colorful because the vegetables are still fresh. When you overcook it, it will turn out to be dark in color. It will not be colorful. See the finished look of it, the fried turkey, salad, and fried rice. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.